From the Michigan Executive Office of Governor, the State of Michigan Stay Home, Stay Safe executive order takes effect at midnight tonight. Non-essential travel is prohibited. As necessary, you may leave your home for health and safety reasons, to get groceries and supplies, for certain outdoor activities, and to care for others. Businesses must limit in-person operations to those necessary to sustain or protect life. All individuals who leave their home or place of residence must adhere to social distancing measures recommended by the CDC. For additional guidance, see www.michigan.gov/coronavirus.